Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the VMI manual Infloor ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the door. You can then use this handle to bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55 inches. And as we make our way inside, this one is going to come with a standard wheelchair. And in the back, you will have a bench seat that will sit 3 people. And in the front, you will have passenger removable seat. And this van here only has 31,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. You'll use the handle once again to lift it up. Push in like so. And then close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. So back here you'll have room for some storage, and this van here is going to come with an easy lock system. If you'd like to have it installed in the passenger front position, please contact us for more details. And as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 31,000 miles. And here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.